This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Campaigning has gained momentum for assembly elections in Mizoram, with top leaders of political parties touring all corners of the state to woo the voters. Major issues in the election are development, unemployment and roadways infrastructure. For the 28th November assembly elections, 112 candidates are in the fray after scrutiny of nominations. Congress and Mizo National Front both have fielded 40 candidates, while the BJP is contesting in 39 seats. Meghalaya-based National People's Party has splitted candidates in 9 and the NCP in 5 seats. New party Mizoram People's Movement has set up independent candidates in 35 seats. Meghalaya Minister for Health and Family Welfare A.L. Heck launched a leprosy case detection campaign for East Garo Hills and Bhoi districts at the Shillong Civil Hospital premises yesterday. It is an initiative under the National Leprosy Eradication Program for early detection to save affected persons from physical deformity by providing timely treatment. Door-to-door campaigns will be carried out by the health departments for 2 weeks to detect people with leprosy and arrange for their treatment. Meghalaya has an average of 20 to 30 cases annually, which includes new cases and cases under treatment. A businessman from Assam was kidnapped by some armed men in East Garo Hills district of Meghalaya yesterday. Tapos Machi, a 37-year-old ginger trader from Gwalpara district of Assam, was abducted near Bansam O village when he was on his way to Rongsak weekly market. Around 5 to 6 masked men came in motorbikes, stopped his vehicle and abducted him at gunpoint, police said. Search operations have been launched to trace the whereabouts of the abducted businessman. The Assam Rifles apprehended 2 cadres of the NSCN IM from Longding district of Arunachal Pradesh yesterday, a defense spokesman said. The 2 arrested persons were a self-styled private and a linkman of the outfit, Kohima-based defense spokesman Colonel Conrad said. Extortion notes along with some other documents were recovered from their possession. They were found to be followers of Chhath Josham, a self-styled major of the NSCN IM. Chhath festival dedicated to the sun god is being celebrated with traditional fervour across the northeast along with the rest of the country today. Offerings are being made along river banks and water bodies to the rising sun since the break of dawn, wishing for prosperity and happiness. Devotees offered arghya, which is offering of water, and paid homage to the setting sun last evening. The Chhath festival is dedicated to the sun, which is the primordial source of energy and essential to support life on earth. Governors and chief ministers of various states of the region have greeted the people on occasion of Chhath Puja. The India International Cherry Blossom Festival 2018 will be inaugurated by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Kongkal Sangma at the 5th Polo Ground in Shillong today. The Japanese ambassador to India, Kenji Kiramatsu, will be present on the occasion. Several events have been lined up for the 4-day festival to celebrate the blossoming of the unique Himalayan cherry blossom flowers in Shillong and its surroundings. Food courts have been set up in the polo grounds and the World's Lake has been lit up for the visitors. Tripura will host the 6th Northeast Youth Festival from tomorrow with over 1,200 participants from the 8 states of the region. Various sporting events and cultural programs including folk music, folk dance, rock music, martial arts, adventure sports, handicrafts, yoga, boat race will be held during the 3-day festival. Participants from Assam, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura will join the festival to be inaugurated by Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev. Chief Ministers of some of the northeastern states are also expected to attend the festival, Tripura Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Manoj Kanti Dev said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.